Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Brad with It's About Time Now. Diana and I thank you for watching. We encourage you to hit the like and subscribe button. Today, we're going to do Disney World during a pandemic. So let's mask up and head on in.
All right, we are coming up onto Magic Kingdom, but during this pandemic, I understand that the monorail between Magic Kingdom and EPCOT is not running. Oh wow, I don't know if you see it or not, but look at all those unused trams. They're giving spaces between cars in the parking lot.
Morning, guys.
Welcome to walk to the walkway. There's more shade that way.
Here we are at the Ticket and Transportation Center. You have a choice of a boat, a monorail, or the bus. And the bus seems to be the shortest way to the Magic Kingdom from the Ticket and Transportation Center.
Perfect. Have a great day.
And as fun as Main Street is, air conditioning is good too. So in we go.
You counting me, girl?
Yes, I am. You count.
I do count.
Coming down Main Street. Reminds me of 1974. We are going to ride Peter Pan's flight. I just know it. 15 minutes. We've actually never been in this line before.
I have not.
No. It's nice to know that there's an air-conditioned line for Peter Pan's flight.
All set. There's the briar patch.
Astro Orbiter. Here we go.
Pilots, prepare for liftoff.
All right, everybody, no park hopping is allowed, so we did one park each day. We were really impressed with the cleanliness and safety efforts during this time, and we were glad that we were able to get on rides that previously had had lines that were so long that we had always just passed them by.
Once that light turns green, folks, you can proceed through.
Well, that's different.
Let's go to the test track.
So one of the things about EPCOT now is all these walls.
So here we are in test track. It's been delayed most of the morning, and we're waiting our turn. A lot of people walked out.
Walking the test track presented by Chevrolet. For your safety, please keep your party together and abide by the ground markings within the queue. Maintain physical distancing between your party and others. And remember to keep your face coverings on at all times.
The wait time for Soarin' is 30. So we're going to head over to Soarin' and see if we can ride that.
This is during the Food and Wine Festival. A big difference. So Food and Wine Festival, we actually get to go back here. Rarely is this open. That's fantastic.
So Disney, I think, is doing a really good job with this. There are sanitation stations everywhere, hand sanitizer, and portable sinks. We're in Pandora right now. It's a ride I cannot do, so I'm waiting on Diana. She enjoys this one. And we'll keep touring the park.
Here we are, babe. It's like we have the park to ourselves.
Yeah. Very few people on this section.
Yeah, we're over on the section that's close to the safari, actually.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's go down here. So this is one of the best places to take group shots with the tree. You got here early, we went straight to Pandora, and they are running these through empty, half of them.
On the Crowley River Rapids.
Because everyone is over at Pandora. So there was basically a walk-on, not even a 5-minute wait. All right, I want to show you all this camper. Look at this travel trailer. And there you go. Such a cute travel trailer. We're all alone.
I see that.
Yeah. So this is going to be a thing of the past. The primeval whirl. All right, everyone. I just want to wrap up the pros and cons as we see it and let you know our takeaways. Pro is there are shorter lines, but the con is there's also shorter hours. Another pro is it's not crowded, but the big con is there's no park hopping. One thing I have to say is coming to Disney in August is extremely hot.
I hope you found this one enjoyable. I encourage you to subscribe and hit that like button. Leave in the comments below if you would be willing to come to Disney World during a pandemic, now that we've shown you what's out here. Good luck to you. We'll see you in the next one.